Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam. And math problems po tayo dahil usually marami po ang math pagdating sa exam. Okay, so let's analyze and solve this one. John is the owner of the apartment. He increased the rental building by 10% of the previous monthly rent. The new rent is 2,860. The question here is, how much is the original rent? Okay, marami pong nagkakamali dito at ang ginagawa lang nila, kinukuha lang yung 10% itong new rent at idididak at yun na po yung original rent. Dahil dalawa lang naman daw ang given. Okay, basically, mali po yun. Kasi itong 10% ay naka-base dito sa original rent. Kasi pag ginawa po natin yon, for example, 2,860 times 10% niyan, okay, is 286. At pag dinidak natin yan dito sa 2,860, magiging 2,574. Pag i-check natin yan, magiging mali yung sagot. Kung kinuha natin yung 10% niyan, okay, is 257.4. Pag pinag-add yan, magiging 2,831.4. Hindi siya tali doon sa new rent na 2,860. So, wag po ninyo iyong gagawin. I-analyze po natin yung problem. Ang the best way dito ay trial and error method. So, kunin natin dito sa mga choices yung 10% at i-add natin yan para makuha natin itong 2,860. Since mali na tong letter A, dito tayo sa letter B. So, 2,600, kunin natin yung 10%. Okay. Kasi 10% increase is equal to 260. Now, pag-addin natin yan. 2,600 plus 260 is equal to 2,860. So, basically, ito na yung sagot letter B. Kasi sabi niya, 2,600 yung original rent at nag-increase ng 10%, which is 260 is equal to 2,860. So, tama po ito. The answer is letter B. Okay, wag po tayong malito. And I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless.